of that shop was saying, hey, don't you know that how to pack this sari? Don't you know that how to groom the floor? Don't you know? He was saying me mad. He was saying me crazy. He was saying me silly. And he was, abusing me also. He was saying,
Whenever you are
I think you don't need to take any tension if you are going to go for the job. But in the starting, you need to take the tension if you are going to start the business. But later, the game changes. Later, like after 9 months, after 10 months, after 12 months, the game changes. Business gradually grow.
That's not possible.
I'm getting you. Just imagine, just understand. After 9 months, after 9 months,
After guys, just notice that 9 months.
after 9 months, after 10 months, gradually there is a problem. Yeah, right. Obstacles, hindrances, problems. You may need to go to, after taking tension, would need to go to the hospital as well.
Yes.
Okay. How are you all? Are you all fine?
Yes, sir.
Are you all feeling great?
Yes.
So today we are going to have the debate session, outstanding, marvelous, grandiose, grandiloquent, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious session today. We are going to have, and the topic of today's, first of all, I just want to let you know something. इस दुनिया का कोई रंग नहीं, इस दुनिया का कोई रंग नहीं, कोई ढंग नहीं, इस दुनिया का कुछ रंग नहीं, कोई ढंग नहीं, अगर पास है पैसा, अगर पास है पैसा, अगर पास है पैसा तो सब कुछ है मेरे दोस्त, अगर पास है पैसा तो सब कुछ है मेरे दोस्त, बना कोई संग नहीं, बना कोई संग नहीं. So either you do job or you do business. You have to earn money. You have to think about money, because without money you cannot live luxurious life. You cannot live splendiferous life. So you have to earn money either while doing the job or while doing the business. So today we are going to have the debate session on topic job versus business. So who wants to come here? Who wants to support the business? Let me know. Okay, here we have Sanu. Let's give an energetic warm welcome to the one and only who will be supporting job. Let's give an energetic warm welcome to the one and only. Let's come on the stage. Carry the mic and sit over here. And another charming personality on the stage who would be supporting business. Business is quite better. He thinks that business is quite better choice because of doing the business we can become affluent, we can become opulent, we can become rich, we can have great health, we can be healthy, wealthy. That person thinks. So that person's name is Nigam. Let's give an energetic warm welcome to the one and only Nigam. Clap. Sit over here. बैठ जाओ. बैठ जाओ. So guys, keep on watching this debate session until it gets finished, because this debate session is going to be quite amazing, quite marvelous, quite splendidous, because today they people are going to rock, they people are going to fire the stage, right? You heard me right, absolutely right. So guys, if you also want to understand what is most important, job is most important or business, because so many people are getting confused in their life. So many people, they are thinking like doing job is quite better because we are not going to have any kind of tension. And people think about it, we should do the business because I want to take risk. जहाँ risk है वहाँ इश्क है, right? जहाँ risk है तो इश्क है. तो भाई बहुत से लोग सोचते हैं कि बिजनेस करना चाहिए और बिजनेस में करेंगे तो हमारी लाइफ काफ़ी अच्छी हो सकती है, और जो जॉब वाले हैं वो हमेशा सुनते रह जाते हैं और राइट. So let's see, उनको बातें माननी पड़ती है. They have to be taunted, they have to listen from the boss, from the owner. So let's see what is better choice. Let us understand today in today's debate session what is better choice, doing job or doing business. So you can start, guys. First of all, give your introduction. So you give your introduction and then let's start. So are you excited?
Yes, sir.
Interested. A splendid good evening to one and all. This is me, Nigam, in front of you all. I hope you must be fine, you must be jubilant, you must be cheerful, you must be joyful, you must be feeling amazing, right? And today I am also feeling little bit amazing and fantastic. So first of all, I would like to say thanks to my both of sir, Mr. Suraj sir, the founder of Suraj Ki Srishti, whose name is Mr. Suraj sir, for having me these golden opportunities, as well as I would like to thank all the viewers, all the spectators, all the companions, all the audience, all the panelists, all the friend, all my dear companion who all are present over here. And today, as you all know, that today we are having amazing session, outstanding, amazing, fantastic, fantabulous, marvelous, and wonderful, beautiful, and supercalifragilisticexpialidocious session. And that session name is debate session, and our topic name is job versus business. Of course, you know that I want to become a businessman since my childhood. I have a dream. I have a one dream that I will definitely become a businessman. One day will come and I will become, because I believe in myself, because I think that business is better than job. That's why I keep on thinking in my mind, in my brain, that I will become only a businessman. I will never do a job, because this is my dream, this is my goal, this is my aim, and I want to achieve this. I want to complete my all the dreams, and my aim is to be a businessman. So I think business is better than job, because when you are doing business, then you are living your luxurious life. And when you are doing job, what is a job? First of all, what is the definition of job? Job means you are going and again you are coming back at your home and you are feeling so sad, you are feeling so bad. So many traffics are there. Sometimes what happens, your boss are scolding you, your boss are taunting you. Hey, why did you not do it properly? Hey, why did you not do it properly? Sometimes it happens. So many problems creates sometimes. And if you are doing even a single mistake, if you are creating or if you are making a small mistake, that small mistake can create a big mistake, big problem. If you are making one small mistake in your office, in any company, your boss will say, you know what, hey, just get out from my office. Your boss will abuse you, your boss will talk nonsense, your boss will talk rubbish from you, your boss will say, don't you have mind? Like this, your boss will talk to you in another tone. Your boss will not talk to you in a good way, in a better way, in a superior way. Your boss will always talk to you rude. Your boss will be rude. Your boss will say, don't you know that how to do this? Don't you know that how to do that work? Are you fool? Are you silly? Are you mad? Are you crazy? Your boss will always scold
So
you.
first of
Your
all,
boss
you
will, yes, now
I want to say
Yes.
something like.
yes, introduce.
So first of all, very splendid good evening to all of you. My name is Shanu Moria and I am from New Generation English Institute of English Language. So first of all, I would like to say thank you to Suraj sir and Sanjeev sir to giving me this golden opportunity to speaking on the stage, and as well as I would like to say thank you to my all audience and the viewers who all are over here. So first of all, I want to ask some questions with you, Nigam. That now you are saying about the advantage of the business and disadvantage of the job. So now, as you saying, so how many years of experience that you have now? You are judging that both things. So what do you want to say about this?
I am having experience of 2 days.
Okay.
This is reality. This is
Okay.
ladies and
So,
gentlemen.
just listen here.
Excuse me.
I am asking question with you, and I expect that you are answering with me.
Yes. I
Yes,
will.
so,
Of course.
yes.
Wait a minute.
So how many days? How many years that you have experience?
I am having experience of doing job only 2 days.
So,
you can
how-
say in 2 days I have known that this is 2 years. You can say in 2 days I have known.
How
about
can
2
you
years.
judge? How can you judge?
Because let me tell you. Let me make you understand.
That's I'm asking. How can you judge any kind of
Actually,
business,
मैं
any
हिंदी में
kind of?
बोलना चाहूंगा, अंग्रेजी वैसे नहीं आती मेरे को इतनी, तो मैं हिंदी में बोलना चाहूंगा कि
आप मुझे कोई नहीं बोलेगा, इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करो. आप बोलो.
इंग्लिश I had gone, at this market. You know about this market, Center Market, right, Madangir?
You can say the name.
Yes, and that shop name was, New Delhi Cloth House. Do you know about that New Delhi Cloth House, right? In that shop, I had gone only for 2 days. In 1 day, what happened with me? The boss of that shop was saying, "Hey, don't you know that how to pack this sari? Don't you know that how to broom the floor? Don't you know?" He was saying me mad. He was saying me crazy. He was saying me silly, and he was, abusing me also. He was saying,
Whenever you are- Whenever-
Yes, like this. He was abusing like this.
Because it could be happen if you're doing that kind of thing, so they can say you.
But if I would be the owner of that New Delhi Cloth House, then I will be sitting like this. Oh my God! I will be laughing. I will be smiling. My life will be amazing. My life
That's
will be
not-
outstanding.
How can
Of
you say
course.
about it? Do you have any kind of
In job line, can you sit like this? Can
Yeah.
you sit like this?
Yeah,
Can you
I
sit
am-
like this?
bro?
No.
just
absolutely no.
bro, just listen me. I have a 7 years experience of the business and the 7th month experience
So
of the
which type
job.
of business do you do?
I have a vegetable shop.
Which type of vegetables?
Do you know about more than vegetables? Whatever you have.
Everything, right?
Everywhere,
vegetables.
like South Indian vegetables and North Indian, any kind of vegetables that can be available in my shop.
Acha.
So I have a much knowledge about the business and the job. So I'm comfortable in that both things. So how many experience do you have now? You sharing your experience that you are doing only 2 days. So how can you judge him?
I can judge with 100% guarantee.
Which
You know,
kind of guarantee? How
If-
can you certify
आप
it?
बताओ मेरे को एक बात बताओ, जैसे कि 2 दिन में वो बंदा, मतलब जो वो ऑनर था, वो कंपनी का
अब मैं हिंदी बोलूंगी बिकॉज ये
थोड़ा सा
हिंदी
हिंदी
मुझसे
सर, थोड़ा सा चलने दो, दिल से बोल रहा हूँ मैं, तो थोड़ा सा चलने दो। देखो ना,
अगर निगम आप किसी जगह पे काम कर रहे हो, अगर आप उसका काम सही से नहीं करोगे, वो बिजनेसमैन है, उसके पीछे 50
नहीं,
चीजें मैनेज करने
फिर
के
भी
लिए।
अगर आप अच्छे से भी कर रहे हो ना, प्रॉपरली भी कर रहे हो ना, वो आपके अंदर कमियां निकालेंगे,
उसके बाद-
खामियां निकालेंगे, वो आपको
उसके
नीचा
बाद-
दिखाएंगे, वो क्या कहेंगे, नौकर, यू आर अ सर्वेंट, जस्ट कट ऑफ फ्रॉम हियर, ही विल से। कोई भी उनके यहाँ पे गेस्ट आएगा ना, वो क्या कहेंगे पता है? ही इज
He
माय
will say
सर्वेंट,
you.
ही इज माय सर्वेंट, ही इज माय पियोन। अगर आप चाहे, बेशक
मतलब
आप
आपकी पोस्ट है वो,
बेशक आप उस कंपनी के मैनेजर होंगे, फिर भी कहेंगे ही इज माय सर्वेंट। ऑनर हमेशा कहता है, ऑनर हमेशा कमियां निकालता है, ऑनर कभी खामियां नहीं निकालता, कमियां निकालता है।
किसी को 2 दिन में ऐसे कैसे जज कर सकते हो?
कर सकते हैं।
मैं 7 महीने से काम कर रही हूँ एज अ असिस्टेंट एक डॉक्टर के अंडर। मेरा भी कॉलेज स्टार्ट होने वाला है, तो मैं उनके पास काम करूँ। 7 महीने से काम कर रही हूँ। मुझे जितनी रिस्पेक्ट उन्होंने दी, आई डोंट थिंक मुझे कभी किसी ने दी होगी। एक बोलने का ढंग होता है हर एक, जस्ट लिसन मी,
बट नॉट इन एवरी फील्ड।
एवरी सिंगल पर्सन हैज देयर ओन नेचर, और किसी के नेचर के हिसाब से हम उसके काम को जज नहीं कर सकते। वो अच्छा
याद
है,
रखना
बुरा है।
हमेशा 2 चीज, इंसान का ना नेचर चेंज होता है और ना ही सिग्नेचर, क्योंकि अगर इंसान का नेचर जैसा है वो वैसा ही रखेगा, वो
I
चेंज
think-
कर ही नहीं सकता,
I think
और सिग्नेचर भी उसका चेंज नहीं होगा, नेवर नेवर।
आपकी एज पता है बहुत छोटी है, आप YouTube से जो चीजें सीख के आए हो वहाँ वो
नहीं,
experience
हमारी
करो।
age
But
छोटी
you
नहीं,
have-
बहुत बड़ी है, लंबी
but you
age है।
have to respect any person they have any kind of experience। मैं आपको एक बात बता रही हूँ, मैंने इस पर्सन के यहाँ 7 मंथ काम करा है, अभी मेरा काम चल रहा है, क्लिनिक होता है, मर्डर डिस्पेंसरी होती है। उस बंदे ने मुझे जितनी रिस्पेक्ट दी होगी, मैं समझ हूँ किसी ने मुझे दी होगी।
But what about Mukesh Ambani? You all, how many of you know about Mukesh Ambani? You all know, right? You all dear people, you
No,
all
I'm
dear
changing
audience
the
know
point
about
right now.
Mukesh Ambani. Mukesh Ambani is doing job or a business? Question arises. Guys, tell me, job or business?
निगम,
Hello,
I think
dear
you are
people,
not
job or
stable and
business?
your-
Say loudly. Business. What? Business, right? Yes, absolutely right. You heard me right.
IPS,
Absolutely right.
the IPS officer, the doctor, and the policeman, and the more servant, the nurse.
But what
they
is the
always-
guarantee of becoming
Just
IPS?
listen what I'm going to say. Just
Yes,
listen.
yes, yes.
As you say about the business, कि ये सब अपना business कर रहे हैं, मुकेश अंबानी। हर किसी की किस्मत मुकेश अंबानी नहीं होती, और हर कोई बंदा मुकेश अंबानी नहीं होता। अगर आप काम करने जा रहे हो, IPS ऑफिसर वर्क कर रहे हैं, कि उसकी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं है, कि उसके पास पैसे नहीं है। अपने जो कितने लोग हैं यहाँ काम कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे अपना डॉक्टर ले लो, इंजीनियर ले लो, क्या वो लोग वर्क नहीं कर रहे हैं? उन्होंने मेहनत नहीं करी है, स्ट्रगल
मैं मानता हूँ, लेकिन मैं किसी और को भी जानता हूँ, मैं मानता हूँ, लेकिन मैं किसी और को भी जानता हूँ। बताओ क्यों? I know about some people who are businessmen. Really, they are rich, affluent, wealthy, and healthy also.
You just know about that person who are healthy and wealthy, but I am the one person person, they are healthy and wealthy both.
And
But I always prefer the job because in the job you have a fixed work
कि
hours.
कहते हैं नहाना
fixed
है तो नदियों में आओ, नालों में क्या रखा है? कि नहाना है तो नदियों में आओ भाइयों बहनों, नालियों में क्या रखा है? और करना है तो बिजनेस करो यार। जॉबों में क्या रखा है? जॉबों में क्या रखा है? Job is nothing. Your business can change your life. Your business can transform your life.
Yes, guys, your business.
Always do
Yes, guys, your business
Always
can
do
change your life.
I will say.
कभी भी सड़क से रोड तक लाने में मिनट भर का टाइम ले, कभी बिजनेस 10 दिन तक करके देखो। नहीं पता, जस्ट गो।
Yes.
नहीं पता आपको, एक बार जाकर देखो दुकान पे, जो बंदा दिन भर मेहनत कर रहा है वहाँ काम कर, 10 लाख की टेंशन है कौन सामान आएगा, कितने बेचा जाएगा, कितनी उसकी मेहनत होगी, कितनी उसकी लागत होगी, उसके बाद भी उसे नहीं पता कि ये वर्किंग आवर्स 12 से 15 कब बन सकते हैं, नहीं बिका सामान, नहीं हुआ काम। फिर
As you are
अगर
saying-
किसी के पास सैलरी है, आपके पास आपकी फिक्स सैलरी है, आप मंथली उड़ा सकते हो, खर्च फिक्स पैसे हैं आपके पास, आप यहाँ डिपॉजिट कर सकते हो। आप बिजनेस कर रहे हो, आपकी LIC चल रही है, किस्त चल रही है, आप कैसे भरोगे? मतलब आप एक मंथ में रोटी खा लो, एक मंथ में आप भूखे ही सो जाओ, एक मंथ आपने गाड़ी चला ली,
There is nothing as such you are thinking.
एक मिनट, एक मंथ पे आपको अच्छा खासा प्रॉफिट हुआ, आपने 2 लाख रुपए गाड़ी में डाल दिए कि इसकी मैं नेक्स्ट मंथ से अपना किस्त भरता रहूंगा। उसके नेक्स्ट मंथ आपका लॉस हो गया, गाड़ी वाले आए और उसके पहले वाली गाड़ी भी उठा के ले गए, क्या मिला आपको?
Dear Didi ji, I would like to say, as you are talking about and as you are saying again and again over and over that we can also become IPS officer, right?
Yes.
We can also crack the UPSC and
Yes.
interview, right? You are saying
If you
we
are
also get
able, so you
respect.
can.
In that field also we get respect. You are saying again and again, I am able to observe, I am able to notice your words, right?
Yes.
So I
So
observe. I
if
observe one thing.
you ever notice my words, so you have to know about to me what I want
have
to say to
observed one thing. You
What?
are saying again and again that we can also become IPS officer,
they,
IAS officer.
they
right?
also are doing
But
job with
what is
most
the
of respect.
guarantee? What is the guarantee of becoming IAS officer?
Do you have any kind of guarantee that you can
Yes,
you
I'm
can
having
make?
guarantee. I'm having
How-
plannings. I'm
how-
having tactics.
you have a planning, so you have a guarantee of yourself, not your work.
If I'm gonna start or open any business, so for opening business what we need?
Nigam,
Money.
first of all,
Just think I'm rich. Okay, just think I'm rich. I am already
that's not
having money. A lots of
that's not possible to think that you can reach.
Easily I can start my own business. Easily I can.
Acha, do you now you are saying the more things about your business? Do you have any single idea of your business? So can you please
Yes,
just explain
I'm
me?
having one single idea.
Yeah, please give me.
You can say first of all, I will say one line.
I can't say anything. I
I
just
will
want to
say one
listen.
line. One small idea can create a big business.
I don't want
The
to
way-
listen this.
the
I
way-
want to listen your idea that what
Yes,
you want
first
to
of
do for
all,
your business.
be all ears. Listen to me carefully for a minute. Then you can.
You
also-
just-
I
you
will
just-
also let you speak.
You
I will
just
also let
you just
speak.
changing a point that made whenever I was saying that in this thing that their thing happened, and you just tried to change the point. Why? If you are able stable to say about your topic, so why are you not continue? Why are
Dear
you
sister,
still right
dear
now?
Didi ji, I would like to say one thing.
Now
The
before the 5 minutes, you also just saying to one thing. What's the one thing?
First of all, let me express myself. Let me express my feelings.
You also wasting just 15 minutes or only expressing your emotions or words.
Now I am having a lots of emotions, feelings for all of you guys, for all the audience.
That's not
for
a
all
place.
the viewers,
That's not a
for
place.
all the spectators, right?
That's not a place to expressing that all things.
A small mistake can create a big problem.
What thing?
कि दूध में चावल डालने से खीर बनती है। कहते हैं, एक शायरी बोला है, किसी महान ने बोला है, पता नहीं किसने बोला, ये नहीं पता। मैं एक शायरी बोलूंगा, पतंग वतंग मत उड़ाओ, भी मैं कुछ बोलूं तो मैं ये कहूंगा कि दूध में चावल डालने से खीर बनती है और बिजनेस करने से तकदीर बनती है। दिस इज रियलिटी गाइस। अगर आप बिजनेस करते हो, अगर आप जॉब कर रहे हो, तो आपकी सब्जी बदल सकती है। आज
निगम।
तोरी खाया, कल बैगन खा लोगे, और कल बैगन खाया तो परसों घिया खा लोगे, कद्दू वद्दू खा लोगे। अगर आप जॉब करते हो तो सिर्फ आपकी सब्जी बदलती है, लेकिन जब आप बिजनेस करते हो तो आपका लक बदलता है, आपका किस्मत बदलता है, आपका भाग्य बदलता है, आपका लाइफ चेंज होता है गाइस। आप मेक एंड नेम एंड फेथ।
निगम, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वर्ड चेंज करने से इमोशन चेंज नहीं होते, भाग्य
हो जाता
तकदीर एंड दैट ऑल थिंग्स। अगर आप इतने अच्छे स्पॉट पे, इतने अच्छे स्टेज पे आगे जस्ट बिलीव करते हो तुम्हारा किस्मत बदलेगा, भाग्य बदलेगा, सो तुमने कितने लोगों का भाग्य किस्मत बदल चुके हो जो तुम इस चीज को एक्सप्लेन करो। आई जस्ट वांट टू आस्क यू दैट सिंगल क्वेश्चन।
मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा,
अगर तुम तुम मेरे क्वेश्चन का आंसर पॉइंट टू पॉइंट दे सकते हो, so you can speak. Or if you are stand over here only for the changing the point, so I can't.
Can you face obstacles in job field? No. There you will not be having any kind of tension. Your life will be tension free. But
Who says?
Our
Who
life
says?
should be our life not should be tension free. We should take tension. We should not live our life in a tension. We should take tension. I say we should take tension. When we take tension in our life, कहते हैं ना कि बादाम खाने से अकल नहीं आती, ठोकरे खाने से अकल आती है. बादाम
तुमने
कितना
खाई
भी खा लो,
ठोकरे,
you
तुमने
can
खाई
eat
ठोकरे,
हैं?
तुमने खाई
Yes,
ठोकरे.
जो जितना ठोकरे खाएगा उतनी लाइफ में ऊंची उड़ान करेगा. I believe in
That's
myself.
my question. कितने बार ठोकरे खाई है तुमने?
बहुत बार, many times.
Just please express on the camera. I want to listen.
Yes, I would like to say before I was nothing. Okay, before I was.
Now you are also nothing.
No, I am something. Dear Didi ji, I am something. Right now, I am having one respect. People are giving me respect. In my school also, teachers did not used to give me that respect.
I think you are
My
Nigam.
teachers.
This company.
Yes, my company.
Yeah.
On YouTube channel also.
He has started his own company by the name of.
This is me, Nigam. You don't know about my company?
Just a wait a minute. Wait a minute. How many years?
He's selling products on online platform.
Yes.
What's your age?
Don't you know about me? Who am I? First of all, ladies and gentlemen, I am something. Don't think I am nothing. I am sitting on this chair just because of being something. I am
Age क्या
something.
इनकी? Age क्या इनकी?
Age does not matter.
Just
Age
listen.
does not matter for
So-
becoming something.
हाँ.
I say that age does not matter for becoming something, for doing something, for accepting something, for achieving something, for doing something great. Age does not matter. You can become.
Nigam, I just want to say this. Do you ever did a business?
Yes.
How many times?
I used to help my, father. My
So
father
that's-
is a businessman.
so you
my
be-
father is having his own shop, and I also go on that shop. My father is having his own showroom of shoes, you can say. And I help him.
Sir,
I
अगर
help-
यहाँ झूठ बोलना
I
है
help
फिर
him.
मेरे से अलग
But I can say.
अगर यहाँ सच बोलना है ना,
But I can say business can
Nigam,
take you to the next.
I have a quite question. Whenever you go, जब आप काम करने गए थे,
मुझे
कब है?
मारो.
जब आप काम करने गए थे, आप कह रहे हो आपको गालियाँ दी थी, कौन सी गाली दी थी उसने आपको?
गाली का नाम नहीं बोल सकता, वो थोड़ी
आपने
बेकार
कहा
थी.
था नहीं ना.
ग्रीन मैंगो मोर बोल दिया था और कुछ नहीं. मतलब समझ गए होंगे आप, तो समझदार हो यार.
आपको जब गालियाँ दी गई थी तो आपने वहाँ वर्क, एक मिनट मुझे बताओ, शॉप पे आप किस चीज का काम करते थे? को काम मैं भी करी हूँ 7 महीने से.
देखो मैं बताता हूँ आपको. आप
और ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आप बिजनेस कर रहे हो तो आपको कभी वर्कर्स की जरूरत नहीं होगी.
होगी, ऑफ कोर्स.
अगर आप जॉब कर रहे हो तो आपको वर्कर्स की जरूरत होगी. अगर आपको वर्कर्स की जरूरत है तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको अपने वर्कर की रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए जो कि जॉब कर रहे हैं. अगर आप खुद को उस बिजनेस से तुलना कर रहे हो कि उसने आपको गाली दी थी इसलिए
I am a businessman.
जस्ट लिसन व्हाट आई वांट टू से. आपने उसके यहाँ काम किया था, उसने आपको गाली दी थी, तो आप ये नहीं चाहोगे कि अभी भी आप उसी सन तरह बनो. तो आपको तो रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए जॉब वालों की, क्योंकि वो वर्कर हैं. तुम बिजनेस करो, तुम्हारे नीचे काम करेंगे वो. अगर आपको रिस्पेक्ट नहीं दोगे तो आप कैसे एक्सपेक्ट करते हो कि वो तुम्हें रिस्पेक्ट दे?
आपका कहना सही है, लेकिन 1% मैं 100% श्योरिटी आपको देता हूँ.
मतलब आप 99% इस चीज से श्योर हो कि उसने आपको गालियां सही दी थी.
ये इसमें तो श्योर हूँ 100%. I have told you many times.
Just
कि बंदे
listen.
ने गाली, जो कि भाई मेरे भी कान है, भगवान ने दिए हैं, God gifted है. ये नहीं है कि कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, सब कुछ है मेरे पास. कान, आँख,
आदि श्योर सब कुछ है.
सब कुछ है.
ठीक है.
तो मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि बंदे ने गाली दी, मैंने सुनी, लेकिन मैंने उसको रिप्लाई नहीं दिया. क्यों? क्योंकि एट दैट टाइम मेरा सिचुएशन थोड़ा बेकार था.
अरे तुम्हारा सिचुएशन बेकार था, आई एक्सेप्ट इट. बट आपने मुझसे कहा कि उस बंदे ने आपको गाली दी, मतलब आप उसकी तरह कभी नहीं बनना चाहोगे. सो आप तो सपोर्ट करोगे जॉब और वर्कर वालों को, क्योंकि आप बिजनेसमैन हो, आपके नीचे काम करना है उन्हें. अगर आप उन्हें रिस्पेक्ट नहीं दे सकते तो उनसे रिस्पेक्ट की एक्सपेक्टेशन कैसे रख सकते हो?
जॉब करते हो ना लोग आपको, अगर
मैंने ये नहीं पूछा आप जॉब करते तो क्या करते. मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि आप कैसे करोगे.
I would like to say when you are doing job.
मैंने जो कहा पहले उसका आंसर दो मुझे.
पागल
दैट्स
हो
माय
जाओ.
पॉइंट. अगर आप मेरे पॉइंट काट नहीं सकते, आप उसका आंसर दे सकते हो, तो आई डोंट थिंक आप यहाँ क्यों बैठे हो.
देखो मैं अपना ओपिनियन रखना चाहूंगा, ठीक है.
ओपिनियन से पहले आपको उस चीज का आंसर देना पड़ेगा. निगम,
पुट माय ओपिनियन. ओके, आई वुड लाइक टू
ओपिनियन बहुत सुन लिया, बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू लिसन योर आंसर. जो क्वेश्चन मैंने पूछा उसका आंसर दो.
Do you know about this dosa wala in the center market?
Yeah.
He is such a rich person. He is having 3, 5 flats in different places in different areas.
Nigam,
Those
I
are-
also have a quiet question.
He is also
I-
opening his own business.
I also have a
He is
question
also
for
doing
asking
his
you.
own business.
Now you are saying that you or your father has a business. So how many flats do you have and how many
I
rich you
have,
are? And please,
uncomfortable, not
please,
uncomfortable,
please, just say, please
I have,
say a truth.
Maximum-
Don't tell a lie here because I know about you very.
maximum 5. Yes, 5 flats.
So
In
guys,
Sangam
आप
Vihat-
देख सकते हो कि
in
इंसान
Sangam
एक
Vihat-
टॉपिक चेंज करने के लिए कि वो हार ना जाए, वो 50 झूठ बोल सकता है,
झूठ नहीं
बट
बोल
अपनी वो चीजें एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर सकता कि वो यहाँ पे गलत है। वो
लेकिन-
किसी को रिस्पेक्ट भी नहीं देना चाह रहा, अपने नीचे जॉब करना चाह रहा है तो।
आप ये कर सकते हैं, ये पॉसिबल है।
अच्छा, जस्ट लिसन, सूरज सर 1 मिनट यहाँ आएंगे आप प्लीज।
सर आप आइए बीच में, आप थोड़ा। Of course. Oh my God.
सर आई वांट टू आस्क,
Okay.
प्लीज आप ऊपर बैठ जाओ पहले। नहीं, आप बैठे अच्छी नहीं लगेगा।
सर आपके लिए यहाँ लगा देते हैं, मुझे बीच में। नहीं सर, दूर से आए हैं, थोड़े थक गए। कॉफी मंगवाओ यार।
भाई सारे टॉपिक चेंज कर रहा है, क्वेश्चंस के आंसर नहीं देना।
दूंगा सर, दिलाओ।
हमारे बीच में एक बिजनेसमैन है जो चाहूंगी कि एक बार हमारे सामने है, तो प्लीज सूरज सर आप एक बार आगे आना चाहेंगे?
हाँ तो सर आप क्या लेना चाहोगे, टी और कॉफी? अच्छा बैठ जाइए।
So I need to give you the information. What is most important, right? It is a debate session. That's why I was getting you the knowledge regarding information, regarding job, regarding businesses. That's why I was getting you the information. That jobs are also better choice. You can be tension free.
Yes, I know.
You are having so much burden on your head, on your shoulder, right? So that's why I was giving you the information that when you are going to start the business, so you have to take tension wherever you are going with your wife or husband. So you have to think, conjecture, ponder about it all the time in your.
That's why I am saying job is a very right thing and you have to do job because job में आपके पास एक सेटल पैसा होता है, सेटल टाइम होता है, कितना काम करना है,
In
कितने
the
शो करना है।
starting, you don't need to take any tension if you are going to go for the job. But in the starting, you need to take the tension if you are going to start the business. But later, the game changes. Later, like after 9 months, after 10 months, after 12 months, the game changes. Business gradually grow.
That's not possible.
Are you getting? You just imagine, just understand. After 9 months, after 9 months,
After guys, just notice that 9 months.
after 9 months, after 10 months, gradually there is a problem.
Yeah.
Right? Obstacles, hindrances, problems. You may need to go to, after taking tension, would need to go to the hospital as well.
Yes.
Okay.